Hello there. I believe you are blessed wherever you are all over the world, regardless of the color of the skin, tribe, or nation. I would love to say to the Christianity world, hang on there, Jesus is our answer. All right. I would love to go straight to the point. What God said to me in the morning when I was praying. God is I must warn Zuma, the former president. There is a mission of killing him, not through gun or whatever, but poison. God say he mustn't trust his surroundings. There is money that is already put on his head, that the person will get rid of him. One way or the other will benefit 1, 2, 3. So God say, I must warn him. I must warn him about those people who are surrounding him. Those people whom he thinks that they are with him in that party. They call it MK or what. God say, those who love him, you put him in prayers. Otherwise, if you don't put him in prayers, you are going to hear sad news very soon. But he won't die through a gun, I will repeat again, but through poison. I'm saying to you, if you hear the sound of my voice, don't forget to like and to share. Remember, he's a father and a leader and a grandfather of other people. So put him in prayers so that God may intervene. That's what God said to me. If you hear the sound of my voice, don't forget to like and to share. Remember, Jesus loves you. So do I. May God bless you. Thank you.
Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Stella. Please do not forget to subscribe, comment, like, and of course do share this video. So a prophet on TikTok, a Nigerian prophet, has come out to make shocking revelations or allegations rather, that he has been given a prophecy by God regarding the leader of Umkhonto weSizwe and former president of the country, or Jacob Zuma, that there is a death that's coming his way, you guys. Now the prophet says that former President Zuma won't die with a gun, but he will most definitely be poisoned, and people should put him, or Jacob Zuma, in their prayers, you guys, because his life is definitely in jeopardy. He states that the people who will poison him are those people that are very close to him, and he stated that there is already money put out there, and people have ordered the head already. They want him gone, they want him dead. Now the people who ordered the head, according to the Nigerian prophet, are already in the party of Umkhonto weSizwe, you guys. Anyways, what are your thoughts? Please do share them with me in the comment section, and of course do not forget to subscribe if you haven't yet done so, and also make sure that you share this video so that it reaches a lot of people, guys. Thank you so much for actually clicking and deciding to watch this one. I truly appreciate it, and I will definitely be seeing you on the next video, and may God bless you all. Bye.